show the bends.
The benchmark?
Show the bend.
Sorry.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
If something is not okay, just say me.
No problem.
Go, go, go.
It's a slow Audi in front here. It's quite bumpy this track.
It's too slow.
It's getting out of the way.
So, these are here the Hatzenbach corners.
This thing has got massive grip. That's lekker, né?
Yes, of course. Porsche is not slow.
It's nice to feel these G-forces and stuff.
What? You don't know what he is doing. You see the brake lights?
It's quite fun.
So, now we come to Schwedenkreuzer.
Go!
Corner and down to Fuchsröhre.
We're doing 200 well, eh? This is crazy. Too much grip.
So, Metzgesfeld here. Exit of Metzgesfeld. Down here to the Kalnhardt corner.
I grab here in car, huh?
Yes?
It's got a lot of grip on this car, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, but these are street tires, yeah?
Yeah,
It's the street
yeah,
tires.
it's normal street tires, I saw, Michelin's.
Michelin PSS. So, now down to Breitscheid.
And this car is still stock.
Yes, of course.
Stock out of the
We have
factory.
only other brake pads, and the rest of the car is stock.
And it can handle the heat and everything.
Please?
It handles the heat, it doesn't overheat or nothing
No.
like that.
Normally not.
Excellent.
So now the left here. Now braking down here. The Bergwerk corner.
Nice.
we are 4 people in the car. It's
Yeah,
heavy.
it's still heavy.
Yeah. This is, I have to brake very early. You know?
Okay.
Because we are
Yeah,
so-
because we're heavier and stuff.
Yes. When you are alone, you can brake much later.
Yes.
Yes. Now into the car.
Good fun for a Monday.
Highest point.
The highest point of the track.
So now here Biberman corners.
You guys have got marshals here. What is
This?
Is it marshals which you've got there or just people taking photographs?
They are waiting for something happens. The marshals. the yellow plate-
Yes, because you've got the track day.
Yes. So, München.
Excellent. Julle ballen nog wakker daar agter.
Ja. Coming in the last section here.
Yes.
Schwalbenschwanz hier.
Actually catching these guys.
Mini carousel. They make guided driving.
This is excellent. Yeah, I'm surprised you catch him actually.
Now we are in the end.
This is the wrong straight, Nick.
Yes.
Oh, this was excellent, man. This was excellent.